Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two fantastic models that promise to keep your drinks cool and refreshing. First up, we have the Free Village Countertop Ice Maker, known for its efficiency and self-cleaning feature. And on the other side, we have the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker, which offers versatility with two different ice sizes. Both machines can produce 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes and have a daily capacity of 26.5 pounds. Let's see how they compare in terms of price, power consumption, and noise level. When it comes to price, the Free Village Countertop Ice Maker comes in at $99, while the Sweetcrispy model is significantly cheaper at just $69. This price difference makes the Sweetcrispy a more attractive option for budget-conscious consumers looking for a reliable ice maker. In terms of power consumption, the Free Village model operates at 132 watts, while the Sweetcrispy model is more energy efficient at just 77 watts. This means that the Sweetcrispy not only saves you money on your electric bill, but also has a smaller environmental footprint. When it comes to noise levels, the Free Village model operates at under 45 decibels, while the Sweetcrispy model is even quieter at under 40 decibels. This makes the Sweetcrispy a better choice for those who value a peaceful environment, especially in smaller living spaces. In conclusion, both the Free Village and Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Makers have their strengths. The Sweetcrispy offers excellent value with its lower price, energy efficiency, and quieter operation, making it the better choice for most consumers. However, if you prefer a more compact design, the Free Village might be worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.